How to download Waze app on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can download and install Waze app on your iPhone. In order to download and install Waze application on your iPhone, it is very similar as installing it on your Android phone. So I'm going to be showing you how you can download the Waze app on your iPhone as well as on your Android device. Since I'm using an Android device, I'll be showing you exact steps on how you can download Waze app on your iPhone. In order to install and download the Waze app on your device, you need to make sure that you're connected to an internet service. In order to make sure whether you're connected to an internet service or not, you can swipe down or simply head over to your settings page and then long press on your Wi-Fi settings or your Wi-Fi icon, and after that you'll be able to see whether you're connected to an internet service or not. You need to open up your Play Store if you're on your Android phone. Similarly, if you're on your iPhone, then you need to open up your App Store. So the interface might be different, but the method is similar. So you need to tap on your search bar on your iPhone as well as on your Android phone and then type in Waze app. Now in my case, I have installed. So in order to download or install, you need to click on the install button. But then if you're on your iOS device, then you'll have an option as get, and then you need to wait for some time while it is installing. You need to click on open and then you can begin with the creation of your account and you can explore Waze app on your device. So in this way you can download Waze app on your iPhone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.